Hey everyone, just greetings to everyone that's out there. I know it's been a minute since I posted a video. Gonna do a quick unboxing of the Galaxy XR, the latest headset from Samsung, partnered with Google. This particular box came in. They just released towards the end of the year, 2025, starting November. There's production pre-order on the controllers. It seems like accessories and other things are sold out. So we're going to take a quick look and glance at this headset. Some of the things we're just going to go through. This is a 256 as far as memory. Just a headset by itself, no controllers, and we're just going to do a quick unboxing. Once we're done with the unboxing, we'll share other videos where we're going to include kind of the recordings from the actual headset and a couple interactions there. All right, so let's go ahead and open this box. Let's see what's in it. This is the actual box, if you haven't seen it. Pretty large box here. We're going to try to open it here. And open it on this side here. All right, this fresh box opening. Take that off there. There's the headset. And we have the Samsung XR headset. It's very lightweight based on what we've seen. It has the back knob to adjust. They actually added this cover here. I know there were questions about actually having the specific lenses for glasses and other things there. There's a preview of the actual headset, maybe an inside look here. So you can see kind of the lenses. We'll hold it this way. You can see from that side. Here's the top view, very similar to a specific other headset that we've seen before, but we'll go into that. We'll probably do a side-by-side comparison of the other headset. But you can see here. All right, let's set this down and then we'll see what other items may be in the box here. Here's that cover. Let's go ahead and remove that. So we have additional accessories here, which looks like adjustable, thick. Let's see here. That's a different pad. I guess the pad for the back. That's interesting. Insert cover there. Let's see what we have here. So the Galaxy XR does have a charger pack similar to the Vision Pro. So we can see there's this additional pack. So it looks like the power here. And then you charge it, so we'll let it charge once we get a moment. And then this looks like cleaning cloth. Comes with the charging cable. Type C. Along with the adapter. All right, so it looks like we're ready to get into this headset. So we'll actually charge the actual headset, get everything set up. When you actually order the Galaxy XR headset from the Samsung website, they do give you a month of NBA League Pass, along with Gemini for a month, YouTube Premium, So they are giving you quite a bit on the purchase, along with a free month of some of the services. We did do a demo in the actual Samsung store to actually try out a couple things. We did try out Gemini, a couple things there. Maybe we'll do some videos just to kind of see what's kind of possible there. It does allow you to kind of point at things, circle it, and take a photo, and then Gemini looks up and tries to identify where those things are, or give you context to that information. So we'll take a look at that. We'll definitely do a real run through on the headset. Let's do one more look here. Again, the price point, $17.99 online. That's without the controllers and the carrying case. There is controllers as well. I think the price point for the controllers are $250. Those controllers do not come with the actual unit. The memory size that's available for this is the 256. So this is kind of what we have here, the Galaxy XR headset. Again, it's pretty lightweight. For me, I feel like this headset is more towards the kind of the replacement of the Pros or even a HoloLens, but this is pass-through versus the actual pure augmented. So we'll definitely try out a couple things, and then we're actually building some things for this as well. So we'll definitely share that. If you haven't checked out our channel or subscribed, please do so. It'll help out a lot. I'm looking to give you more information. All right. Until next time, see you soon.